A forecast update from KIMT Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sean Macaday. Sean, how much snow are we talking for tomorrow?
Well, we're talking enough to cause some problems, but part of the reason, one, that we haven't been able to give you a good forecast on the snow yet is because we're hovering right around freezing. Any small change turns it into rain or snow. But the other reason is that it's that same storm system that's impacted California, which is, mind you, like 1,000 miles away. It's moving real fast. Here's that atmospheric river blasting all the way from Hawaii. Then you get this nice ridge in the jet stream. It's this trough right here that's moving into us. That's bringing the cold air. That's bringing the disturbed weather and the snow for tomorrow and kind of wintry conditions for your St. Patrick's Day weekend. But ahead of it, you saw that the jet stream went up. Ahead of it, we're getting warm. You're already feeling that out the door right now. Take a look at the winds. They're out of the south, bringing us some warmer temps. Warm front going to boost those up even more with some clouds for the afternoon. But right now, we're looking at some pretty clear skies across the region. Now, the Rochester Lava went down a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty clear as the sun is just starting to crest above the horizon. So yes, it's going to be a warmer day. Here's the catch though. I still think you're going to want a winter coat out the door because it is going to be windy ahead of this storm. The winds will bring down the feels-like temperature. You're going to need the beanie. You'll need a winter coat. You'll probably want some, boots of some sort too because the snow is going to melt. Right now it's the upper 20s touching 30. And this afternoon, we're going into the low 40s. But because it's going to be so windy, it's not going to feel like the low 40s. It's going to feel like the actual temps right now, which is the low 30s. Low 30s, upper 20s across the region feels 10 degrees colder than that. That difference will hold into the afternoon. So that's why I think despite the fact that you want to maybe dress a little bit less today because of the warm temps, it's not going to feel that warm. Look at these winds. They're 15 miles per hour right now. This afternoon, they're low to mid 40s coming our way. It will feel 10 degrees cooler than that with the winds. It will be a breezy day. Briefly sunny skies this morning, becoming cloudy by the afternoon. Those clouds quickly move in. You can see the rest of the afternoon, it's cloudy. And now we're tracking what comes our way tomorrow, which is the storm. Let's talk about how it plays on out. We start tomorrow morning. Temperatures are still in the 40s with those winds out of the south bringing us all that warm air. By 8 a.m., just after that, morning commute time, we're starting to get some raindrops. Maybe by lunchtime, some of those raindrops are getting heavy. It's in the hours after lunchtime, 2, 3, 4 p.m. Here comes that storm out of the west coast. Backside is where there's that giant, massive cold air. Strong winds, cold air rushing in, turns it into briefly intense snow. It's not going to last too long in terms of hours, but if you're out during that hour, you're going to feel the snow. It's going to accumulate fast. Here's our snowfall forecast. Rochester to Austin, down to Forest City, Northwood, anywhere from trace to 2 inches. If you're closer to like northern Albert Lea, Dodge County, Owatonna, Zumbrota, it could be a bit more than that. And other spots to the south and east may not see much at all. Talking about travel tomorrow, the worst time will be that afternoon and evening commute, so give yourself plenty of time to do that or try and leave a little bit before the snow arrives. We're tracking a couple more flakes into a very breezy St. Patrick's Day weekend, St. Patrick's Day and Saturday as well.
Don't forget your green.
Don't forget your green.
Thanks, Sean. Iowans across the state